The theme name. Which theme it is? We are in now. We are going to start
Team 4.
theme 4. What is the name of this theme?
Our universe. Our
Our
universe.
universe. Okay. And what are the topics which are going to cover in this are time, calendar, temperature, Roman numeral. These are the concepts are going to cover in this. First of all, before we start the concept, you write down this theme name and all. I'll be showing you. I'll show you the steps. In the same
And we should write a notebook.
place, you have to write in the notebook. Take a fresh page, children. All of you, open your notebooks. Take a fresh page.
Oh.
I'll give you the same time you have to write. If sketch pens, color sketch pens or markers are available, keep it with you and start.
I will draw. Ma'am, now shall we open our notebook?
You can write with pencil also. No.
And term for our universe only we should write.
Theme 4, not term
4. Ma'am?
I'll show you just a second.
Ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, my book was finished. I took a new book, ma'am.
very good. Now you can.
Ma'am, you told that if we have sketch pens, we can write with that also.
Yes, only the theme name and all. I'll show you the pattern here. Same way you write.
Ma'am, if we don't have pen, ma'am, no, shall we write?
You can write with pencil also.
Okay, ma'am.
Take down. Today's date. Actually, today is 9th day. 9th day. Write 9-11 dash.
Ma'am, shall we write in notebook?
You have to write in notebook. Also. Make it fast, but only 2 minutes I'll give you. Make it fast, children. We have to write a lot of notes based on this time. We are going to start the chapter time. So in that you have to write a large number of notes also. Make it fast. Large amount of notes is to be written, so make it fast. So whoever are unable to write now, you can take a screenshot and you can write it later. What is our theme name? Our universe. The topics which are covered are time, calendar, temperature, Roman numeral. One minute more. Completed, children? Now let me go to the concept. Take a screenshot those who have not completed. Afterwards, you can write it down. Now let me ask you one question. It's like a riddle, children. Let me ask you first. Everybody has it. Everybody uses it. Some use it wisely. Some use it foolishly. Sometimes it crawls, but it always passes by. We can save it, but can never store it. What is it? Yes, Shritan? Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me read the question again.
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Everybody
question?
has it. Okay. Everybody uses. Some use it wisely. Means with intelligence they will use it. Some uses it foolishly. Sometimes it crawls, but it always passes by. We can save it, but can never store it. What it is? Yes, Surya.
Ma'am, time.
Very good. It's time, right, children? So many of you can
Yes,
tell it
ma'am.
wisely. If you know the time, if you can tell the time, you can see at the clock and you can tell the time very easily, wisely. Some of them will say very
Yes,
foolishly. Why?
ma'am.
Because they don't know how to calculate time, right? Some of them don't know.
Yes,
Some of
ma'am.
don't know. If anybody doesn't know how to calculate time, they will say it foolishly, like something. They will, in order of this minutes hand. With not related to this minutes hand, seconds hand and all, they used to say the time very foolishly, right? If you know the time to calculate with the help of minutes hand, hours hand, seconds hand, then you can easily tell the time. If you know how to calculate the time in an analog clock. What do you mean by analog clock? I think you all know what is digital clock. Yes, children? Do you all know what is digital clock, Ashish? Ashish, do you
Yes, ma'am.
clock? Most of you
Yes, ma'am.
already.
Directly,
Very
ma'am. Directly, it
directly time can be told, right? Direct
will,
time can
and
be
another clock means now
digital clock.
we are
It will be the
using
help of
ma'am
numbers.
that one.
Yes, Nana. See,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. I didn't hear you.
Ma'am, digital clock means directly it will show the time,
Huh.
and analog clock means we'll use it in our homes regularly.
Very
Ma'am means
good. It's a real
minutes
clock,
and seconds.
right? It's a real clock where generally at homes this kind of clocks are used, right? In your home, at
Regularly.
least one analog clock will be there at your homes, right, children? But whereas in some offices like railway stations, airports, and all, mostly digital clocks are used, right? Digital clocks are used near railway station, near
And this is
platforms.
an analog clock.
Yeah, very good. See, Sritan is showing the analog clock. Even I am going to show you now.
Ma'am, actually this is one alarm.
Alarm analog clock. It is analog alarm clock. Let me share you now. See, this is the analog clock. Analog spelling, you tell me, all of you.
ANALOGUE
Very good.
CLOCK.
Very good. ANALOGUE, analog. ANALOGUE, analog. You have to read the spellings also, all of you, okay? Analog clock.
Digital clock means DIGITALCLOCK.
So this is the analog clock. What is this?
Analog clock.
Okay. ANALOGUE. Analog clock.
LogueClock. Ma'am, I'm saying without my eyes closed.
See, these are the
ANALOGUE.
very good, very good. So these are the digital clocks. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the digital clocks where these kind of clocks mostly used in railway stations, airports, in where large number of people will raise no large number of people will go there. That kind of places, these kind of digital clocks will be kept by, because by just looking at there you should know the time, right? So digital clocks are mostly used nowadays, but before digital clocks, analog clocks were the real clocks which have been came first before than digital clocks. Okay. Now let us know the difference between the digital and analog clocks. I'll share you the screen. Start writing this. After that, we'll go to the next part. Now again, take a fresh page. Put today's date. Write page 2. Why? Because we have written theme 4 as page 1, right? So write as page 2, today's date, put heading as classwork, and start writing. Is it clear, or shall I take one more pic? Is it clear, children? The pic is clear? Okay. Estimation. The heading is, topic is estimation and measurement of time. Let us first understand the difference between analog and digital clock. I'll give you only 2 minutes of time again. Why? Because huge part is left over for writing notes. So make it fast, children, and use good handwriting. While you submit your books, I should see the good handwriting. Otherwise, marks will cut for it again for the coming assessments. Analog clock is a real clock where we generally calculate time with the help of hours hand, minutes hand, and seconds hand. Let us know about hours hand, minutes hand, and seconds hand also further. First, you write down these notes, make it fast, children. Otherwise, time will not be sufficient again. Whereas digital clock gives us the direct time without any strain in the form of numbers. In the note, what is given, children? The world without time is a complete chaos. Chaos means a big confusion will be there without time, right? The world will not run in a proper way without time. Make it fast. I'll give you time for today and tomorrow. You people have to make one clock with the items which are available at home. Like you can use thermocol sheet or else any chart. Anything you can use, but you have to prepare one clock. Make one clock. Yeah, Nana, Huria. Yeah, Nirvi?
Ma'am, in A4 sheet paper also easier.
But try to make it more attractive, no? If I say like you can use A4 sheet paper means all are doing using A4 sheet only. Not like that. It make it more attractive so that when you come for submission of theme for books, no? You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
submit it so that you'll be getting marks for that also if it is more
Okay.
attractive. Huria, tell me.
Ma'am, we have to make a model of a clock.
Yes, model of a clock. By
Okay, ma'am.
using the minutes hand, seconds hand, and hours hand also. Already you have learned all these last year, right? You know what is the minutes hand, seconds hand, and the hours hand. Let me also explain you now after you take these notes, okay? I'll give you 2 days of time. You can submit me day after tomorrow. You can show through pics, and while coming to submit the books, no, after theme 4, you can get the chat also, or if you make it with like a model, then it's better. It should be very neat, colorful, and attractive. Completed, children? Shall I go to move to next page? I'll give you only half a minute of time. Make it fast. Completed? Now let me show you a clock where we have a minutes hand, seconds hand, and a hours hand also. Take a screenshot, Nana. Sritan, take a screenshot. Those who have not written, take a screenshot and leave some space. See, this one which I am showing is a alarm clock, right? Analog alarm clock. Now I have kept one arrow mark here for one hand. What is that hand? Sanvi? Sanvi, tell me, Nana, what is that hand called?
Millet's hand.
Huh?
Millet's hand.
Very good. It's a minute's hand, right? It's a minute hand. It takes 24 rounds to face a clock in one day, right? It takes 24 rounds. Okay. Don't write anything. Just look here. It's a minute hand.
నేను ఒక టాయ్ ఇస్తాను చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక హ్యాండ్ ఇది ఒక హ్యాండ్ ఇది ఒక హ్యాండ్ ఇది అవర్స్ హ్యాండ్ ఏ చెప్పు
Next. Pranav, get ready. Tell me now for one more I have kept arrow mark. What is that hand called?
అవర్స్ హ్యాండ్
Very good. It's an hour's hand. Now Darwin, I'll show you arrow mark. Tell me what is this hand? Where is Darwin? Darwin, you left off. Nice. Very good.
Out सबने कल पे टेस्ट चार्ट पोटे round out चार्ट out सबने
Yeah, Darwin. Tell me, what is that hand called?
Ma'am,
Tell me, Nana, what is the hand which is
second
left?
hand.
Very good. It's a second hand.
Ma'am, my class is cutting and coming, ma'am.
Acha, that's why you have struck. Yeah? Why any connection
Yes, ma'am.
problem is there?
Net problem, ma'am.
Problem is there. Try to make it clear. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I think the bandwidth is just low. I think. Make it clear. So here we can see minutes hand, hours hand, and seconds hand. Okay. Now, minutes hand takes 24 rounds to face a clock, right? 24 rounds it takes to face a clock. Means on 12 it comes for 24 times. Okay. Whereas our hands takes how many rounds to face a clock? Vinmay?
Ma'am,
Hours hand. Look at the hours. How many times it comes to the same number in a day? How many times it comes on the same number in a day?
24.
Hours hand also comes 24 times. Minutes hand
No, ma'am.
24 times on the same number. But whereas this hand comes Raj,
Amma,
unmute yourself and tell me. Don't know? You just raised your hand, right? Yes, Guria. Hours,
ma'am, you told that ours hand
how many times it comes, Rana, for in one day? On one number, how many times it faces on one number?
2.
Yes, Ashish.
Ma'am, 2 times.
Yes, 2 times it faces the same number in a day, right? What is that mean? See, in the morning, one time you will read as 10 o'clock. In the night also, you will read the time as 10 o'clock, right? That means it is coming for 2 times, right? It is facing the hours hand when it is there on 10, you will read it as 10 o'clock. But in the morning also it will be 10 o'clock, and in the night also it is 10 o'clock. Then how could you find out the difference? Now you tell me. Any one of you tell me. How would you find out the difference that it is night 10 o'clock and in the morning 10 o'clock, Viraj?
AM, 10 AM, 10 PM.
Viraj, others should not say. Only the persons, those who I asked, that person only should answer. Viraj, tell me.
Hello, ma'am. I cannot hear your voice.
Why? It's not clear?
Now I can hear.
Now tell me, I asked you. See, for 2 times, you know hours hand, right? In a clock, you know where which is hours hand? HOURS,
Yes,
hours hand. You know, no? It faces how many times on a number? Means how many rounds it takes in a day?
24.
That is minutes hand. You are talking about minutes hand. The longer hand is the minutes hand. Shorter hand is the hours hand, right? Hours hand, how many times it faces on a clock? It comes on a same number in a day. 2 times, right? Morning 10 o'clock and evening. See, 10 o'clock in the morning is one time, and 10 o'clock in the night one more time. You will be getting like that for 2 times on each number, right? Till it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how can you find out the difference of finding of time, whether it is morning 10 o'clock or night 10 o'clock? How can you mention it?
When the minutes hand is on 12 and when the hours hand is in 10, we can mention it is 10 o'clock.
Okay, it is 10 o'clock you are saying.
Instead of
Now tell me, in analog clock, listen carefully. Mostly in analog clock, no, you just can read the time, but you cannot say that it is whether in the daytime or night time. Like 10 o'clock you can mention, but you cannot mention it is in the night or morning. But to mention that what is used for that, Nirvi? Nirvi, unmute yourself and tell me. See, some of you are saying the right answer, children. No need of raising hand. You said that AM or PM, right? You're going to say AM and PM.
Ma'am, what is the question?
You are asking the question now fully. Now tell me, what is this time, Nirvi?
Ma'am, morning or night?
Huh?
Morning one or night one?
Only the time I asked you.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, 10 o'clock.
Okay.
10
10 o'clock in the morning.
p.m.
And what is there near night? What time is going
10 p.m.
here? 10 o'clock in the night, right? 10 o'clock
Yes, ma'am.
night. But always there is no need of mentioning like night or morning. To mention it, have two things to mention. First session
AM
as
and PM.
AM. First session means from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock, you will mention it as AM. First session. Second session to 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock again. 12 o'clock again it is PM. Don't think that only it is night. When it is night, you should mention it as PM. I'll tell you more elaborately tomorrow also. I'll take 1 to 2 days of time to explain this AM and PM. Don't get confused now itself. Some more explanation is left over regarding this. I may explain you in the further classes. But based on this, some notes is given. You take down first. Let me
Ma'am.
tell you the full form of this AM and PM, children. What is AM? Anti-meridian. What is the full form of PM? Post-meridian. The full form of AM is anti-meridian and full form of PM is post-meridian. I'll show you some notes based on this. Take down. Afterwards, tomorrow I'll explain you what is AM and PM more clearly. Write down first the units of time, children. Just now we have discussed about hours, minutes, seconds, and all. No, these comes under units of time. Take down this units of time. What are the units of time? Means how will we mention time? See, we have 3 hands on a clock. Those are hours hand, minutes hand, and seconds hand, right? Based on that, we have to mention time. Let me share you again. It has been gone. Write down units of time. What are the units of time? Hours, minutes, seconds. Not only that, we have days. 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? In 1 day, how many hours will be passed? Darwin, are you writing? All of you must write the notes day wise. Otherwise, it becomes burden for you only. Again, to write. Anyhow, you have to come for submission of books, right? After this theme 4. Then at that time, you should not remain any one page also as pending. So, you people have to write the regular works daily. Otherwise, it becomes problem for you only again. See, hours, minutes, seconds are the units of time. Not only that, days, months, years also are the units of time only. Based on the time only, days will be passed, right? Based on the days only, months will be passed. Based on the months only, years will be passed, right? So all these are dependent on time only. So these are the units of time. Take down. Key vocabulary. Under key vocabulary, you have 4 words where you have to learn those and you have to remember the spellings of those words. Time schedules, units of time, analog time, digital time. Okay, analog and digital. Why you people are not switch on your videos? Why don't you switch on your videos, children? Always we have to intimate all these things. You will lose marks for this also. It comes under regularity and discipline. Where in the rubrics you have marks, you are allotted marks for it, right? If you don't switch on your marks, you'll lose 5 marks. If you don't switch on your video, you'll lose 5 marks. Praneet, Siddhant, Sirichandana, Fatima. For regularity of your homeworks, 5 marks. And for your discipline and regularity of your video presence and all, 5 marks. Darwin, take out that from your mouth. You're writing or just simply, you can see that. Is it clear to you? No. What about others? Lasya, what is the way you have said? Where is the screen? Straight use it, otherwise you will be making negative problems to you only. Darwin, tell me, is it clear?
Ma'am, it's coming lightly blur, ma'am.
Others can see, children? Yeah, others can see, it seems. Only few parties remain. Now let us go to next page. Time is up anyhow. Make it fast, children. I'll show you the next part also. After that, you have a clear explanation about what is hours hand, how many rounds it takes to face a clock in a day, minutes hand, how many days it takes to face a clock in a day, Write down this. Same time occurs 2 times in a day, right, children? One is in the morning and one is in the evening. Two times it will occur. Yes, Pranav, anything to say? Tell me, Nana.
You will give this in
MCB also.
NGB.
In MCB also, but no. You people will face again difficult to write class.